Well, here we are changing the brushes on a Bosch washing machine. Here's the two new brushes, which were £2.45 off an internet auction site. The tools I'm using are a pair of snips, a Phillips style screwdriver, a flat bladed screwdriver. I've got an adjustable, but I don't think you'll need that, but if you need it then that's fine. A socket there to fit the nuts, and there's just two nuts that take the motor off, and a few screws to take the back panel off the washing machine. Well, here is the motor, and here are the brushes. The brush on that side, and then if you turn the motor around you will also see a brush on this side. And the brushes just simply disconnect. You take the wire off the top of the connection, and then you pull out the brass strips like this, and the whole thing just slides out. You have to line up the slots on the brass, and then it just comes forward, and then you slide the other side out, and then the whole brush comes out. Now this is the old brush, and you can see how that is worn right down. When you compare that with a new brush, look at the difference in the length. You can see quite clearly that one brush is worn. The reason we noticed this is because the speed dropped on the motor and it was making a slightly strange noise. I'll show you how the motor goes back in once I've put the brushes back in. See, the new brushes just slide in the same way as the old brushes slid out. You just put them in there, push it all the way to the bottom, and then put the new clip back on, push the spring all the way in. Sorry, gone off a bit there. I'm just going to push it. I'm going to have to put this down a minute because I need two hands. See if I can prop it up on something. I've got a book here. There we go. So I'll just pop this new brush back in. Oh, it goes the other way around, so that it gets the top near the terminal block. So that is facing up towards where the wire goes. And then we push all this in.